Hey guys, so today we're going to be making Halloween toilet paper roll crafts, and this is an example right here. So it's a little pumpkin toilet paper roll craft. And I'm going to show you step by step how to make a black cat. So the materials you're going to need are a toilet paper roll, black construction paper, red construction paper, some scissors, a hot glue gun, some googly eyes, and you're gonna need just a couple yellow pipe cleaners. For the next step, you're gonna take your toilet paper roll and your black piece of construction paper, and as you can see here, I already had my glue gun heated up. And what I'm gonna do to make this process faster or more accurate is I'm gonna just put the hot glue on the black construction paper. So now that our black construction paper is glued onto our toilet paper roll, I'm gonna make the ears. So I'm just gonna kind of cut almost like two triangles. This part can be a little bit tricky. All right, one. So you might have to kind of play around with it a little bit. All right, so it should have two ears like a cat. I think what I might do is actually glue this piece together just to make it. I might just glue this whole thing together to make it look more like pointed ears. And yeah, just be careful because the hot glue does get really hot sometimes, so you don't want to burn yourself. So there are my little cat ears. So as you can see, there's many different sizes of the googly eyes, but I'm gonna go with one that's kind of small to medium size, so it's in proportion to the cat. And so I'm gonna take each eye and glue it on. So just one there. And then press it down. Maybe wait a couple seconds. And then you're gonna do the same thing to the right eye. All right, so it should look like that. Then I'm gonna make my nose. So I'm just gonna cut a red square. And then I'm gonna make almost like a triangle shape for the nose. All right, so I'm just gonna do a little triangle shape. Then I'm gonna take my white or my yellow whiskers. So first I'm gonna glue on this nose right here. And And as I was saying before, you gotta be really careful when using the hot glue gun. So there's my nose. All right, so I'm gonna take my yellow pipe cleaner and I'm gonna bend it in half. I'm gonna cut it, and then you should get 2 whiskers on each side. So I'm gonna twist it like that and make an X. And I just realized that I put the red nose on first, so I'm actually gonna make another nose to put over. So you might need to actually trim the whiskers a little bit depending on how long you want your cat's whiskers to be. So here we go. I'm gonna press this down. And kind of have to hold it there so it stays. So I got my whiskers on, so I'm actually gonna put a new nose over it. So I'm gonna take my hot glue gun, put the nose over. It should look like that. And then since it's still drying, I might just trim the whiskers at the end. Then what I'm gonna do is, in a second, I'm gonna paint the mouth, and then I'm gonna add the tail. So I'm gonna cut this in half. And then I'm actually gonna curl it to get the tail effect. Actually, I'm gonna go like this. And so it's gonna go behind. Like that. So I'm just gonna hold it down so it dries and stays really well. So your cat should look like this now. And we're pretty much almost done. So I have white paint here, but you could also take a white colored pencil or a white crayon. And I'm just gonna put a little bit of paint on my tray here. Then I'm gonna paint the mouth part. So just like that. So almost like an upside down kind of curved V. It also, if you have a finer paintbrush, that helps with the mouth. But so this is our black cat toilet paper roll craft. I'm actually gonna trim these whiskers a little bit. All right, so I made the whiskers a little shorter, but you could keep yours long either way. So this is the cat, and then this was the pumpkin, so you can make all sorts of different characters. And I hope you guys have a happy Halloween.